Hi, this is Elizabeth. Last summer we made a mobile app prototype for the Ultimate Partnering event. The first version was quite large and it had a lot of clutter in it. So in this video I'm going to show you the second version, in which we've changed quite a few things. This is the mock-up, and the mock-up is smaller now, but it's also cleaner. So in the first tab, contact us. So we have several different ways to contact your company, in case someone in this event needs to do so. So we have a one-tap call function. So the phone number is hard-coded, so nobody needs to type in the phone number. It's already there for you. The second, you have email. It's just an email form, and someone can email you from their phone. So there are also these two links, LinkedIn and Twitter. So these are your profiles, and if you need us to, we can also add your Facebook profile. So the last button is a link to the RE Mentor website, which is pretty self-explanatory. So this tab, venue, this tab is for the hotel where the event will take place. So whether people will drive or walk to this hotel, they'll want to know its location. So the very first sub-tab, address, is just a GPS map, again with the hard-coded coordinates of the hotel. If you click on it, a GPS map launches, and then you can also turn on the navigator. The other two tabs, again, are pretty self-explanatory. This is the phone number, again with hard-coded phone number, so one-tap phone call. And the website is just the link to the hotel website in case the people are staying at the hotel, so if they need a reservation. The third tab, event updates. So this is one of the most important functions in the app. Using an interface, you can send messages, aka push notifications, to everyone who has this app installed, which should be everyone traveling to this event. When a push notification is delivered, there's a sound signal on a phone, and an icon in the phone's screen corner shows up right here. So the notifications are very invasive, and it's practically impossible to miss them. So this is why the delivery for the notifications is extremely high. 97% of all people will read their notifications within 5 minutes. The notifications can be used to send important updates about the event. In fact, you can use this functionality during the event to send reminders about the session starting or anything else that you need to. Equally important, everyone who has this app installed for this event will most likely keep it on their phones. Therefore, when the next event comes, you can still use this functionality to start marketing for the next event, and you can be certain that your message is read during the ongoing event. Pardon, I meant to say that you can use push notifications to market the next event after the ongoing event has finished. So a couple months before the first event, you can start to market it. The fourth tab we have is testimonials. So there are 3 ways to send testimonials about the event directly from the app. You can take photos and email them. You can record an audio message and email it, and then you can also just email in a testimonial. You may want to consider running a contest for best testimonial to encourage participants to leave testimonials. Again, in the first version of this app, we had a function for video testimonials, but the videos turned out to be too big and they did not fit into an email attachment. Using Dropbox was too cumbersome, so we had that removed. The fifth tab is the event website. This tab replaced several ones in the first prototype, such as program, speakers. So if anyone wants to see any of these, one can find it on the website directly from your cell phone. Number 6, so this tab, this is the car locator. The car locator function is extremely useful if you want to pin locations of interest on a GPS map. It was initially developed for the app to memorize the location where you parked your car, but it can be used to pin any locations. For example, a participant that parks outside of the hotel where the event will take place can find it extremely useful. This tab is the Share app. So the Share app will be fully functional when it is published in app stores, when the app is published in app stores. So this tab will allow the links to the app in the app store to be shared with other people by several means, via email, etc. So this will make marketing of the app easier, and it'll be easier for people to download it on their phones. Some of the participants in the event will be out of town. Some will want to explore Boston. We found an interesting website about Boston and events, and we have linked it to this tab going out. So it shows events, restaurants, things to do, etc. So it's extremely convenient to have all of this in one place together with the other stuff related to the event. This tab, the event board. So this is a message board. The messages left here can be read by other users. If you're going to a restaurant with a group, you might want to leave a message when and where to meet. However, this function has limited use in the sense that iPhones will not see messages for Android users, and Android phones will not see messages for Apple users. This is not something that we can fix. This is just because Apple and Google don't like each other.